Well, number one, that this happened on the day I was already in the flight. I was traveling, and of course, I had multiple programs and meetings. So that's number one, and my schedule was already fixed. Number two, it is not just one person. There is an entire team that looks into all aspects of governance. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home uh, was personally monitoring the situation, and the entire team, including Chief Secretary and DGP and other police officials, all were here. And more importantly, in today's technology world, we were in touch almost every hour, discussing almost every aspect, and ensuring that whatever quick decisions needed to be made, those decisions were made, and that there was no gap in terms of the action that had to be taken. So therefore, yes, I had commitments, and as a government, we have multiple commitments. It's not possible for us to always change those commitments because these are commitments made at national level to different governments, to different organizations, and therefore they are also highly sensitive in nature. But as I said, that did not in any way deter did not affect the overall work that we were doing, and we ensured that whatever monitoring had to be done and the presence of the entire team was here all the time. Well, everybody has the right to their views, but there is much more going on behind the scenes than what meets the eye. Multiple communications continuously are happening, were happening, and a lot of discussion took place. Yet, in spite of the communication, for whatever reason, the meetings before the rally could not take place. But that does not mean that we were not communicating. We were absolutely communicating. I don't want to go into details of that because that's something that is part of our process. And as I said, multiple communications were happening, happened, and is happening even now.
So August 19 incident happened, fallout resolved, but the demand of the case is still lingers on. How does the government intend to move forward with it?
Well, we have written to them today, officially this time, and asked them to come for discussions or for talks. We expect that we will get some response, maybe by today evening or maybe tomorrow. And we will discuss all the five agendas and the points that I mentioned. You see, the law is in place for a reason, and whatever happens, the law will take its course. And therefore, it will be incorrect for me or anybody to simply come in and say that the rules and the laws will change because it's one organization or different organization or one individual. I think that is not proper in governance. Therefore, please allow the law to take its own course. I think it's not proper for us to interfere. And the laws have been made for that purpose, and it will move ahead with that purpose. You see, intelligence failure is a very easy word to use. There was no intelligence failure as such. All the aspects were looked into. But to be very frank, we also work in one sense on the basis of some trust and some kind of assurance. And we move forward with that kind of trust and assurance also.